Welcome back to Musab's Creative Toolkit, and you already know what we are about here. You get it free. That is literally our slogan, and we are never breaking that promise. Now look, I am not doing any clickbait today. No fake hooks, no bait and switch. None of that. What you are about to see is the actual result working live on screen. No cuts around the important parts. Just the real workflow from start to finish. So stay with me, because this one is genuinely worth your time. Alright, so I am opening After Effects right here on Windows. And today we are working with Gaussian Splatting inside After Effects. Now if you have never heard of Gaussian Splatting before, it is basically a next level way to represent 3D scenes that looks incredibly realistic. And bringing this into After Effects as a working composition is honestly kind of insane. So the first thing I do is load up Apply file. Inside the composition, Apply file is basically the 3D point cloud data that Gaussian Splatting uses to render the scene. I have already uploaded this exact sample file to my Telegram community, so you can download it right now and follow along step by step. Now I drop the Gaussian Splatting effect onto the composition. I switch to Model 1 and I start playing with the settings, adjusting the depth, tweaking the render quality, and everything is just responding in real time. No lag, no crashes, no weird errors. I even set up a simple camera animation moving through the scene, and it plays back perfectly smooth. Then I render it out, full render, no license error, no plugin conflict, no missing dependency pop-up, nothing. Just a clean result every single time. If you want the plugin, the complete setup guide, and the sample ply file, everything is sitting inside my Telegram channel, and it is completely free to join. Link is in the description, just tap it. We have a whole community of creative people in there already, helping each other out, and it is genuinely worth it. If this video helped you out even a little, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys. Peace.